Hi everyone! In this video, we will convert percents to fractions. Convert the percent to a fraction in lowest terms. 87 and 2/10%. To change the percent to a fraction, we can just take the definition of percent, where these two zeros and this division help us remember that percent means divide by 100. So we would change this to 87 and 2/10 divided by 100. And this little mnemonic here of having the zeros and divide by help me remember that I've divided by 100. However, this has a decimal inside of the fraction, so to get rid of that decimal, I can multiply the numerator by 10. In doing so, the decimal will move one place value to the right. But I can't just multiply the numerator by 10, I must multiply the denominator as well to keep the ratio of the numerator to the denominator the same. And so the decimal will also move one to the right on the bottom. And since we don't see a decimal, we can put one at the very end, and it moves one to the right, which means I fill it in with a zero, making this 872 over 1,000. Now I have a fraction, no decimals, and I can work on getting it into its lowest terms. 872 and 1,000 are both divisible by 8. 872 divided by 8 is 109. 1,000 divided by 8 is 125. Nothing else goes into 109 and 125. So this is the fraction in lowest terms. Now some of you may not know 872 is divisible by 8, so we can start out smaller if you'd like. 872 and 1,000 are both even, so we can just divide by 2. 872 divided by 2 is 436. 1,000 divided by 2 is 500. I can see these are both even, and again, I can divide by 2. 436 divided by 2 is 218. 500 divided by 2 is 250. And once again, these are both even, so I can divide them both by 2. 218 divided by 2 is 109. 250 divided by 2 is 125. And this, you will see, matches the same one that we got before. So it took a little longer. However, you'll see that it was 2, 2, 2. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8, which shows that we divided by 8 in both cases. However, the one was a little bit more expanded and took some more time. But if you don't know what the factor is right off the bat, this may help you to simplify and get it to lowest terms in the fashion that you prefer. Either way, this percent has now been converted into a fraction in lowest terms, and our answer is 109 divided by 125, and we're done.